In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to convert currency in real time on iPhone 16. A currency converter is essential for travelers, business professionals, and anyone dealing with multiple currencies. It provides real-time exchange rates, allowing quick and accurate conversions, which helps avoid errors in budgeting or financial planning. To do this, simply head to your iPhone calculator. Now on your calculator icon, simply tap onto it. Onto the option of Convert. Make sure to turn it on. The currency converter will get enabled successfully. As you can see, I have the euros to dollars. The amount in euros I put, they will automatically get converted to dollars. To change to any other currency, just tap onto the available currency and select on these default currencies available. That's how easy it is to convert currencies on your iPhone 16. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.